Hi everybody.
Hi, we are unboxing.
Joey's very excited about doing this.
And by the way, today we got
Jewels.
they're not real jewels.
Jewels.
They're not real jewels.
Okay, you gotta show them what you're doing, buddy. This is the slime package thing.
Thing that actually has the slime in it.
We're just gonna dump everything out on the table.
Because that's how I do.
Blue dye.
I'll get the instructions.
Crystallized yummy.
Instructions. Okay.
Sparkles.
Follow these 4 rules. Hold on.
Blue dye. This is easy to follow instructions. If you haven't guessed, we're going to do some slime.
Okay, it can get a bit messy. Instruction manual.
Okay.
How to make galaxy glue. Fill a disposable cup. I don't think we have any.
There's some in the bathroom.
Oh,
Below the sink.
look at some disposable cups.
Ow! Just kidding.
Oh,
Not trying to
there's
offend anybody.
disposable cups here.
Well, then get those.
Oh, but
Get clear. Get clear.
Well, you're going to need 2 cups. Okay.
And
We need 20.
And we don't need that.
We need 25 milliliters of water in each one of the cups.
I don't know what 25. Oh no. No, how to do exactly 25 millimeters.
Well,
How
you,
much is 25 milliliters?
huh?
How much is 25 milliliters?
It says right here on the cup.
Give me a cup.
Give Mommy both the cups.
You did it in both
Grab
cups.
both.
Yes.
Can you come with me?
You could have grabbed it. And the other.
Does it have to be hot?
It says warm water for both of them.
That's warm. That's warm. How many milliliters?
25.
Okay.
We're at 25. There you go. There you go, Star.
So I think we're gonna need that.
Careful with that water.
Movie. Done and done.
Okay. On
Alright.
cup 1,
Use the provided spoon.
I didn't see any spoon.
Oh.
I don't think that's the provided spoon, but scoop out 1 level spoonful of sodium. That's not the. That's the toothpick from last night. I didn't see any spoon, man.
Oh.
Is that the spoon?
Well, it's not an eating spoon.
Okay.
Alright.
So,
Get the spoon. Let's put 1 level spoonful. Okay. What?
what are you doing?
Just trying to get a spoonful.
Of this.
Oh.
You're gonna need some scissors. I want to open this, but I don't want to tear it.
Just close your eyes so it doesn't get in your eyes. It's okay.
Now,
Is that a spoonful?
that's a spoonful.
Okay. Put it in one of these cups.
And then stir it. Until
Okay.
It's dissolved.
This might take 45 minutes.
It shouldn't take 45 minutes.
I was making a joke.
Laugh, Jason.
I mean, if you do that fake laugh again, I will put you in the video. Nope.
Set it aside. Okay. Then the second cup, you want the hot warm water, which we got. Measure and pour 16 milliliters of white glue into this second cup of warm water.
7 millimeters?
16 milliliters.
Oh, how do I know?
Well, that one's 15, so just a little bit more than 15. In here.
Squeeze!
Let me see it.
Mommy? It scared the crap out of me. Ooh.
That's not the recommended way to do it.
Do not pop it off. Glue everywhere. Here. If you have sensitive ears, just don't do that.
Just don't do it.
Yeah, and ask a parent for help. Instead of doing it yourself. Or maybe do it yourself wearing headphones? They're giant earphones. I accidentally got some on the table. Anyway, hey, here's something you may remember. We are at a hotel. This is not our actual house. House. And I am wearing a tank top. But you might remember this guy. Hey, if you saw, when I was like an hour ago. Was that an hour ago? Oh, we didn't unbox. What?
I don't know. It was a while ago.
Anyway, and these one things we wanted to show for you, as in we wanted to show you what we got, so you might remember that from that. You also might remember this from it. Trying to do a thumbs up, because YouTube. That's good enough. Good enough, right? This is good. Is good enough. What about you? Just claw down. We're on the vacation.
That looks good.
What for? Vacation. One. Okay. Next. And this solution with the plastic spoon until the sodium teaperate dissolves. City side. That's not the glue. Stir with the mixing stick until the glue is thoroughly mixed in. Do not stir with the plastic spoon, as the sodium spoon will make the glue solution start to transform. Add 1 to 2 drops of blue dye and stir until evenly mixed. The more drops you add, the darker the color will be. Mix in half of the glitter. Here's the glitter. Here's the blue dye. There's also purple dye. Purple and blue dye. Those are the best. Purple isn't exactly my favorite color.
Then we're gonna do blue dye.
Sure. Actually, hold on. I got an idea.
What?
Yeah.
Nope.
Yeah.
That was 2 drops.
Did it only add 2 drops?
Well, if you want it darker, you can add another one.
4 drops. Uh-oh. Should we stir that?
Yes.
Okay, from now on, you'll read the instructions. Instructions to make. It's turning out to be a very light blue. It's not even that dark. It's not even that dark. Wow. Actually, mix and match. As I just knocked both of them over.
Well, it's going to... We're going to make another batch, alright, with the purple.
Okay. I was thinking we'd mix and match. Now it says to put in half of this. Yes.
Don't try this at home.
Don't try this at home unless you have a parent. Here, don't you know? Also, if you want to go to either one of our YouTube channels, which I'm pretty sure this video will be posted on both of them. And mine's called Batman Joey Saves His World. I'm hoping to change that sometime. Well, I might change it. Well, I might change it, but hey, you never know. Never know. Oh. What else? Okay. Also, my dad's YouTube channel is called Jason's Vlogs and Reviews. Who should for both of our YouTube channels. Channels, including Beautiful Fearless, which is my mom's YouTube channel.
Now since pour the sodium talco whatever solution into the glue solution, stirring until you get the right consistency and all of the water is absorbed.
Okay, so we pour this in there.
Okay, yeah.
And should we get this out?
Yeah, set that aside.
Here we go. It's working already. Gee, see what it looks like at the end. It's getting more slimy by the second. Hold on. Guys, look at that. It's getting more slimy. Oops. It's getting more slimy by the second. That's you. Once he's done, I'm going to be in the background and doing stuff. Acting like a dinosaur.
Okay. It's all slimy.
Let's feel it.
And it gets glitter all over your fingers.
I'm not gonna touch that anymore.
Okay.
What the does the instructions say? It's used after every use.
Now, the instruction says to repeat the steps above to do the purple dye.
No, I mean, what does it say to do after use?
It says wash your hands thoroughly with warm water and soap after each use.
Okay.
So basically, the rest of the instructions are to do the same thing except use the purple dye. And then once you've done that, mix the two slimes together to get the cool sparkly galactic effect that they have on the box. Me and Joey are gonna do the purple later, I guess, or I don't know. This is getting up to like 20 minutes long, so yeah. This is pretty easy to follow instructions if you have everything laid out, which we kind of didn't, but you know. Yeah. It's a fun little thing you can do with your kids. What do you think, Joe?
Yeah, slime is pretty good slime. Huh. I mean, it's pretty good. Good. We found this. Oh wait, hold on. That's something we forgot to do. We have to put these in it, which we won't do right now.
Yeah, we gotta put the gems in it. That's our own little touch. That's not part of the galactic slime goop.
I show them these glitter sparkle thing. These Luca. Hey, look in there. There's the box. Look at that. They're crystals that we're going to put in slime. These are for sure. No. Not real. Is that a
Remember to save some for the purple slime too.
Yeah.
Alright, so yeah.
Hey, what do you think of what I did there?
That's pretty cool.
Nice.
Alright,
Ow.
sorry. So this is a little fun little activity that me and Joey did.
Yeah. And when I get the box,
How'd you get it to stay?
well, let's just say, hey, I put some of this on the bottom.
Oh,
And I'm going to put more crystals on it. I'll make this hat look pretty cool.
he's gonna make his hat that we just got him look pretty cool.
Well, actually, that's good enough. Look at me. It already looks cool. Well,
Alright. So I'm gonna clean this up, we're gonna finish it up, and
yeah.
I will see y'all in the next video.
Thanks to end this video. Bye, guys.